Survey Jana Sukhno Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is our Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pilaku. You see, this problem is very good problem, lengthy problem. Previous problem we done steady state with zero boundary conditions. So once initially it's steady states, once its steady state breaks and will reach to unsteady state, then it reaches to zero boundary. We attack actually whole story. Now this is very dangerous problem. In steady state some temperature is maintained. After breaking the steady state, also it's maintained non-zero boundary conditions. Non-zero means you are not able to solve the problem. So it's somewhat tedious. So I will do something. See, now you can read the problem. A bar is 10 cm long with the insulated sides, has its ends A and B cut at 20 degrees C, 40 degrees C. So initially my rod is maintaining 20 degrees C, 40 degrees C. Until steady state condition prevail. This term is very important. Pre-violation. Before breaking the condition, before breaking the steady state condition, I am maintaining the same temperature. So, means what? In steady state I am temperature 20, 40. Once if steady state breaks and reaches to unsteady state, the temperature at A is then raised to 50 degrees. Then once in steady state I am reaching here 50 degrees and B is lower to the 10 degrees. Now what you understand, in steady state I am maintaining 20-40 degrees. Once if steady state breaks, previous problem 0 means what? This becomes 0, this becomes 0, I got 100x by L, we attacked it nicely. But in this case is what? This is reaches to 50, this is reaches to 10. So it's very tedious problem. Okay, you don't worry, whatever level you can attack. Then with the non-zero boundary conditions, how to attack the problem. Now we see. Share above. I'm rubbing. See, initially my bar maintained, my rod is maintained at 20 degrees and 40 degrees in steady state. Once if steady state breaks, my temperature become 10 and 50 and 10. Okay. Now what I will do? In steady state already we know. Dou u by dou t is equal to 0. This equation dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0. So only one variable, so I can write d square u by d square u by dx square. So once d square u by dx square means what? 2 times if integrated, what you will get? Two times if we integrated, what you will get actually? First we will get du by dx is equal to a, you will get, then u is equal to ax plus b. But already know at x is equal to 0 means what? At a, x is equal to L means b. At a, x is equal to 0, then u is equal to what? Initially what I am maintaining? 20. Now if you substituted here, what you will get? U is equal to a into 0 vanish, then b only stands. This is equal to what? 20. So from this what you understand? B is equal to 20. Reaching or not? Now what I will do at L, at B, x is equal to what? L. U is equal to what? 40. Go back and substituted. 40 is equal to ax plus 20. So 20 is equal to a. Sorry, this is L. AL. So A is equal to what? 20 by L. If you go back and substituted, what you will get actually, u is equal to 20x by L by 20. In steady state, this is my temperature. This also you can write if you want, u of x comma 0. This one place you can keep, is very very important. Okay or not? So this is what in steady state. Once if steady state breaks, my previous problem is what, this is also 0, this is also 0, I attack it nicely. Then here I can't. So okay, anyway we write. Then in unsteady state case, what I am getting, in unsteady state condition, what I am getting, u of 0 comma t is equal to 50, u of L comma t is equal to 40, then u of x comma 0 is equal to 20x by L plus 20. But my current solution is what, u of x comma t is equal to e power minus alpha square p square t, then a cos px b sin px. Suppose if I substituted u of 0 comma t, this is equal to 50, then e power alpha square a, that is b sin px will get. So you will have b, you will have infinite number of solutions. We are not able to find the solution. Similarly, u of L comma t also is what, same story will get. So we are not able to, then a also will have the infinite number of solutions. So somewhat this is dangerous case. In this case, what I will do, the whole problem I will divide into two parts. One is steady state, one is unsteady state. Unsteady state is nothing but transient. So this whole problem, how can I write solution? U of x comma t is equal to u of s of x, means what, there is no t, steady state. Then ut of x comma t. Actually, you have to give numbers. Already anyway I am sending the notes, you can give. This is, I am not giving numbers here. This you can give. Yes equation, yes you can do. Now okay or not? Now is what, in this at steady state you can find out, and steady state if you do means what, you will do 50 at 10 you can find out initial stages. Then after that I will do in steady state temperature, how can I do? To find us of x. So again same story, us of x means what, you get dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0, u is equal to, you will get a1x plus b1, because already I used a and b, I am using ab. Same story, this what you will get actually, at x is equal to 0, u is equal to 50, x is equal to 0, u is equal to 50. Shall I above? At x is equal to 0, u is equal to 50. So u what you will get actually, that is u s I am finding. Then u is equal to what? 50 is equal to b1. Then at x is equal to L, u is equal to 10. So x is equal to L means what, 10. Then a1 I don't know, a1L, b I know, b is equal to what, b1 50. Now what you get, a1L is equal to minus 40. So a1 is equal to what, minus 40 by L. If you come back and substitute, what you will get, us of x comma 0 is equal to a1x, who is my a1, 40 by L into x, who is my b1, 50. This also you can write, us of x comma 0 is what, minus 40x by L plus 50. It's very very important. Getting or not? Now I got us. But my solution, what I written, u of x comma t is equal to us of x plus ut of x comma t. So I want to find this fellow. To find this fellow somewhat tedious, I don't have the zero boundary conditions. What I will do, this alone is equal to this minus this I will write. So I will write ut of x comma t is equal to u of x comma t minus us of x. Now ut of boundary condition is what, x is equal to 0 means what, u of 0 comma t minus us of 0. Then this is already, you know, 50. U of 0 comma t is 50. This is also 50. For this is I initially taken 50. So what you will get, 50 minus c. See how nicely for getting zero boundary condition somewhat I am doing. Now ut of L comma t. ut of L comma t is equal to what you will get, same story, u of L comma t us of L. us of L is 10 I know, ut of L comma t I know 10. 10 minus 10, that is also 0. See, zero boundary conditions, zero boundary conditions. I can able to attack nicely problem. Getting or not? So now final condition is what, ut of t means transient unsteady state, ut of x comma 0 is equal to what I am writing, u of x comma 0 minus us of x comma 0. Already these two in my hand available, you know, this away will write u of x comma 0 is what, 20x by L plus 20 minus of minus 40x by L plus 50. So this is equal to what, 20 plus 40, 60x by L, 20 minus 50, that is minus 30. So this is what, ut of x comma 0. So everything in my hand available. Now conditions you can write, what you will get, ut of 0 comma t is equal to 0, ut of, see carefully can write, I am finding a ut not u, ut of L comma t is equal to 0, ut of x comma 0 is equal to 60x by L minus 30. Now you know correct solution you can write. Shall I rub off? What is the correct solution? ut of x comma t, this is very important, not u of x comma t. ut of x comma t is equal to, how can you write, e power minus alpha square p square t a cos px plus b sin px. If you apply first condition, what you will get, ut of 0 comma t is equal to 0 means what, 0, then a is equal to 0. This is what, 0 into you will get actually e power minus alpha square p square t. Already we explained this cannot be 0, so which is 0, a is equal to 0. Second condition if you apply means what, u, first you can write again, ut of x comma t is equal to what you will get, e power minus alpha square p square t b sin px. Then don't worry, in classroom again I will explain slowly. There also that Gmeet video also you can check. ut of L comma t is equal to 0, that is equal to 0. So what you will get actually, e power minus alpha square p square t b sin pl is equal to 0. Again same story, b cannot be 0, this cannot be 0, so only 0 is what, p sin pl 0. Sin PL is equal to 0 means what? PL is equal to n pi. So P is equal to n pi by L. So ut of x comma t is equal to what? E power minus alpha square n square pi square L square t b sin n pi x by L. So this is a superposition solution. If you write, what you will get? Ut of x comma t is equal to, I write bn e power minus alpha square p, sorry not p, n square pi square L square t sin n pi x by L. Now this bn you can, now this is equal to, how can you write actually? Ut of x comma 0 is equal to some function. What you got? What I got? 60x by L minus 30, yeah? Minus 30 is equal to what you can write? Bn sin. So if you write actually, this is what, if you put t is equal to 0, this is become 1. Ut of is what? This. Now any function, this how can I write? F of x is equal to sigma bn sin n pi x by L. Any function I can write sigma running from n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L means what? This is I am expressing as a half range sine series. Once if you are able to find out bn means nf 0 to L. Actually here you can start L is equal to 10. Actually that is I forgot to put L is equal to 10. Then what you will get? So here we can able to find what is the bn value. Bn, how can you write? Already we know function is expressing half range sine series. So bn you can write. Shall I rub off? Again I will rub everything. Bn formula is what? Bn is equal to 2 by L. You can remember here L is 10. F of x sin n pi x by L dx. So what is my f of x? 2 by L 0 to L 60 by L into x minus 30 sin n pi x by L dx. So 2 by L, this if you keep as it is in Bernoulli's formula, minus 30, then this you can integrate minus cos n pi x by L by n pi by L minus what you integrated again you can integrate minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L whole square. Then if you differentiate this, what you will get? 60 by L. Limits is 0 to L. If you apply your upper limit waste, lower limit waste, this whole term is 0. If you substituted L means what you will get? 60. L means 60 minus 30 you will get 30 you will get cos n pi by x. What you will get? Cos n pi means what? Cos n pi you will get minus cos n pi. This is L by n pi minus cos n pi. If you apply lower limit is what? X is equal to 0. This is vanished. Already lower limit in 1 minus, minus plus, again minus. So this is minus cos 0 you will get L by n pi you will get. I think 30 also will get, minus minus 30 also will get. If you take outside 30 L by n pi outside, shall rub off. L by n pi if you take, This is what? Minus also if we take cos n pi, then plus 1. Shall rub off. This also cancel. Then you will get minus 60 by n pi. Cos n pi is minus 1 power n plus 1. That is equal to Bn. Now n is even means what? 2 you will get. N is odd means what? Minus you will get. So n is odd means Bn 0. N is even means what? Minus 120 by n pi. Okay, if this is equal to 0 if n is odd, if n is even. Now substituted. What is my solution actually? ut of x comma t is equal to, then this is running from odd even numbers, e 2 4 6 e power bn. Bn is what? Minus 120 by n pi e power minus alpha square n square pi square l square t sin n pi x by n. Still my problem is not completed. What I am writing actually? U of x comma t is equal to u s of x minus u plus ut of x comma t. This is already I got us of x comma 0 is what? Minus 40 x by l plus 50 plus 2 4 6 minus 120 by n pi e power minus alpha square n square pi square l square t sin n pi x by l. This is a very lengthy problem. One thing is what? Slowly, peacefully if you do, you will get. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.